What the fuck? Alright. So I'm gonna start off with my name. I'm Javon Duong, this is my black check. That's I say anything later. Alright, this is a volume V5 frame, FSA impact headset, Eastern choker stem, some BMX handlebars, demolition grips, missile grips, Odyssey twisted pedals with rich grips, you know. Got the European V2 with bottom bracket. Got the demolition peg. Got the chucker with the 35 Rando. Got this chucker with the 32 Rimbo. Turn it back around. I got the Shell Conspiracy seat. See that? With the Thompson seat post. I got profile cranks, MDS sprocket, Shell Conspiracy half link chain. Is there anything else? Oh, custom made bolt, says JD on it. Damn. Yep. Hey. And let's see. Originating hubs. And let's see. And done. Okay, I'm like Tony's turn here.
I'm Tony Khensouvan, and this is my Havoc prototype. Havoc fork,
Roll your dick.
Havoc frame, Chuckers laced gram comp, Chuckers laced Soma hubs, demolition pedals with some RNS straps, I guess. I forgot. I got the animal seat, the animal cush seat, the Primo, and 25.4 Primo, and then get those NS mitten bars, you know, NS mitten bars. Yep. 160 profiles and 33 teeth profile Imperials. Grape, yep. Gotta get that grape color. With 13 T cog. And on the other side, a 19 teeth cog, you know, in case I wanna like fucking smash out of here or something.
Oh, yeah, wait. I have my ratio is 30-13. Alright, done.
I don't know what the fuck this stem is, but it was just there, so I used it.
Kinda cool but ugly.
Yeah.
Running out of tape.
And one side, pink Odyssey pedal with pink holdfast. Yep, really ugly they are.
Like you dick.
And yeah. Oh shit, my bad.
This thing fucking dropped the bike on me. Oh no, I'm riding.
Alright, go. Just kidding. Go ahead, you can bend your spokes if you want.
It's not your front rim. So that's right, not my front rim. Get it off!
Oh, I'm trying to, but you keep moving! Be smart! Alright, I'm done.